Hello, welcome to another episode of Phantom Bricks. Today we're going to be showing you the dried flowers centerpiece. This is one of the latest sets and one of the most popular themes that LEGO has come out with in recent years, the Botanical Collection. It's set 10314. It's out now, so let's get to it. My wife is a fan of fresh flowers, and she has loved having the flower bouquet and the wildflower bouquet as a display piece on our dining table. And this one fits right in with that same theme. One of the cool things about this set is that the designers incorporated 2 hooks on the bottom of the set that can be used to hang it vertically on a wall. One of the coolest features of the set is that if you have 2 or 3 of them, you can build them and connect them together. I only built one, but here I show you how you set up the set to connect to others. And here's how it looks when there are 2 or 3 of the sets connected together. Excellent planning on the part of the designers. Now, even though I haven't built 3 of them yet, I have a feeling that that's in the future once my wife sees this. So there it is, the brand new dried flower centerpiece, LEGO set number 10314. It's out now. It retails for $50. It has 812 pieces and is a great addition to the Botanical Collection. You can find it on our website at www.phantom-toys.com, or if we're out of stock, you can always find it on lego.com. Phantom Bricks is produced by Phantom Toys and Games. We are an online retailer of LEGO products and an authorized dealer of LEGO products. If you like this content, please consider hitting the subscribe link below. And we'd love to hear from our viewers, so please leave a comment as well. And until next time, happy building.